Hey everyone, Jan here today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can scrape people that actually liked or commented under a specific Instagram post. I'm here Jan from Team Needle, and let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to use the workflow template, and to do that, let's go over to Instagram and choose on a post. So I'm here in Instagram, this is the first one I'm getting, so I'm interested actually in this post. So to do that, I would like to copy the link of this post. I paste it here inside, and now I would like to open the comment here, the comments. I would like to, actually I have to open it in a specific way. Okay, I would like to see the comments here. Yes, I do see the comments, and they are also paginated as you see. So we are going again to our network tab. We're scrolling down here, and we are seeing there's the query coming in. We are copying this at fetch, as we always do. We paste over this fetch here to our manual trigger, and now we would like to write this to a Google Sheet. So I need to here create a Google Sheet where I want to write this to. And so let's call this Google Sheet like the URL of this actually is. So I'm calling it like this: Insta automation code, something like this. I need these kind of headers. And once I have this, I take it. And I'm going to go over to my new workflow. I paste it over here because this is where I want to write the data to. And I'm already ready to scrape these people that commented under this post. So under this post, there are around 147 comments, as you see here. So in my Google Sheet here, I should see now 147 people going to be populated, the people that commented under it. So you see here, this AI agent gets these as input, these Instagram profiles that are specifically commented. Also, what did they comment, Claude? So I guess they comment all Claude, you see here, because they are specifically interested in this automation, I guess, which this guy is kind of sharing about GraphRag. And so, yes, then the agent has done it first time. Now it goes into the second iteration. Here, 15 have been added. We see all of their Instagram URLs, as well as we can also see what they have commented and when they actually commented. And now you see this sheet is just going to be populated over time. So you see, super simple to use, very powerful if you want to know which people commented under a specific Instagram post and maybe you want to further engage with them. Maybe you want to do an outreach on Instagram to them, or you would like to do other things with these kind of information and the profiles of these people. Maybe you want to validate your idea of what is kind of the ICP of people that actually engage with such content, because that's also something you could do. And yeah, up to you to do whatever you want to do with this data. I think this is a very powerful scraper, creating your wonderful Google Sheets of people that actually engage with content on Instagram. So always love to hear what you are automating these days. And if you enjoyed this episode, please give this video a like and a comment and share it with some people that might be actually be able to get a lot of value out of these scrapers, some of your friends or colleagues. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day here from Jan from Team Needle, and see you soon. Ciao.